This is a quick and simple install of a 24 and above street glide. You can get two of these. These are the bottom mounting brackets. You get these, which are the upper mounting brackets, and you get 4 screws. Now what you would do is get a Torx wrench, and the one I've got here is a 9/64, and you remove all the existing hardware for the Harley Davidson. You're going to keep these screws because these screws are going to use to mount our LRS mounting brackets onto. As with all of these procedures, we recommend you doing them by hand rather by electric drill, because that could really screw things up. So now that these are reinstalled onto your bike, you get the new LRS risers. Using the existing screws that came with your bike. Do not over tighten these, as with anything, because you don't want to damage your threads. And so now we will install our street glide windshield on. So you fit these within the grooves, and you'll see these just kind of naturally just sit, lined up where they should be, approximately. Now we grab our top plates, and we have our little LRS logo right here. Make sure that it is facing upwards, ideally, although there really is no issues one way or the other because they are identical plates. And you get these in starting off hand tightening, and then come in with this smaller torque wrench, and these should screw in nice and easy. So you tighten it down until you get resistance. You don't want to over tighten them, but you also want to make sure that they're nice and snug so they don't loosen up while you're riding with any vibrations or any issues they're in. So I'm just going to do just a quick little, that's enough. That's enough. And then you do the same on the other side. And then there you go. Some considerations to take into account. You really don't want the windshield to be touching against the fairing. So there should be a little, like a fraction of an inch separation all the way around, except for obviously here where it sits. But yeah, it's super easy to install, super easy to put together. So just some a few tips and tricks. The Torx used for these were 3, and the Torx used for the inside brackets was 9/64. Of course, when you saw me installing it, you probably saw me break the cardinal rule as far as tightening these up before I get those screws installed. So just kind of make sure that you tighten them up, or get them all secured in there before you tighten them up fully. But that's kind of a standard practice. And yeah, this windshield's a 9-inch, so it's pretty easy. The 7-inch and the 10.5-inch are done the same. So if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. This is Alex from Long Ride Shields. Talk to you later.